Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we're taking an exciting look at the Toyota Supra A90 Final Edition. This limited production model celebrates the end of the A90 generation with exclusive features that elevate its iconic status. Starting with the design, the Supra A90 Final Edition maintains the aggressive, low-slung profile that enthusiasts admire. However, Toyota has introduced unique touches, including exclusive paint options like matte black and deep metallic blue. Carbon fiber elements on the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics. The 19-inch forged alloy wheels, paired with high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires, complete the bold look. Under the hood, Toyota has retained the powerful 3.0-liter inline-six engine, but with refinements. It generates 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque, allowing a quick sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth, fast shifts. Additionally, an adaptive suspension system fine-tunes the driving dynamics, providing a balance between comfort and performance. Braking performance is top-tier, thanks to Brembo brakes featuring red calipers. These provide excellent stopping power, especially during high-speed maneuvers. The steering is precise, offering great feedback and control, making the car feel planted and responsive even during aggressive cornering. Moving to the interior, the cabin of the Final Edition combines luxury with sportiness. The seats are wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with contrast stitching that matches the exterior paint. They are also power adjustable, heated, and include memory settings for added convenience. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features paddle shifters, giving drivers more control over gear changes. The infotainment system is a standout feature, featuring an 8.8-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A 12-speaker JBL sound system ensures a premium audio experience, whether you're listening to music or navigating. The overall layout is driver-centric, making all controls easily accessible without distraction. Safety has been a priority in this model. The Supra A90 Final Edition comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance both safety and convenience, ensuring a confident driving experience in various conditions. One of the highlights of this edition is its exclusivity. Toyota will produce only a limited number of units, each featuring a unique numbered plaque. This makes it not just a performance car but also a collector's item. If you're a fan of rare vehicles, this model is sure to catch your attention. In terms of driving experience, the car excels. The adaptive suspension and precise steering make it agile and responsive. The exhaust note has been specially tuned to deliver a deeper, more aggressive sound, adding to the thrill of driving. Whether on the highway or the track, the Supra A90 Final Edition feels dynamic and engaging. Pricing is expected to start at around $65,000, which is slightly higher than the standard model. However, the premium is justified by the exclusive features, enhanced performance, and limited production run. In conclusion, the Toyota Supra A90 Final Edition is a fitting tribute to a legendary model. It combines stunning design, impressive performance, and exclusivity, making it a must-have for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Thanks for watching Crazy Cars. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.